Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito lang po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyong lagi na abangan. Sinusubaybayan ang pinakamala Renzo Tarot Channel. May kami ka-shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ang ating pong reading ay napagsasamahan na isang timeless reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Cancer. Okay? Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat mga pinamahal so it's pasensya na 2 araw wala tayong upload, medyo may mga inisikaso lang tayo, but rest assured I am now here ready and excited to give you a reading. Okay, reading po, this is for you Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. I hope you're doing great, you're okay, you're safe, and you're healthy. Last shuffle natin at kunin na natin Cancer ang iyong 10 baraha para sa isang timeless reading. Okay, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, please give me 10 cards, please, for Cancer, timeless reading. Pag sinabi po nating timeless reading ay no pressure at all. Ibig sabihin, kailan nyo po ito mapanood? Tomorrow, next week, or next month, next year. Ibig sabihin po ay para po sa inyo ang energy ng reading na ito. Okay, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. So, kapag nagustuhan nyo po o nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, don't hesitate to comment, okay? Like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So, your 10 cards, Cancer, are now complete. Sige. I know that you're excited. Huwag na nating patagalin pa ito. Let's begin your timeless reading, Cancer, with your opening card. Oh, there's sadness. There's sadness in your eyes, in your heart, Cancer. May pinagdadaanan daw kayo ngayon na hindi maganda. Parang you are under pressure. You are under, overwhelming obligations and responsibilities. Maraming mga tumatakbo sa isipan mo. Siguro marami ka pang mga, trauma, past traumas, or like, may mga bagay kang inaayos ng mga problema na talaga nagsabay-sabay, or parang you don't know where to start or alin ang sisimulan. Okay, so Cancer, with this eight of swords, I can see here talaga that you are in a situation that your energy is like, is scattered or hindi alam kung saan, nagmumula. It's like yung emotions mo, what I'm saying, yung emotions mo dito, Cancer, ay parang hindi stable also. Tingnan natin. So, oh, we have here 10 of Pentacles. I can see here na yung problema na bumabagabag sa isipan mo daw, Cancer, ay may kinalaman sa pera. Siguro late, parang may gusto kang mga bagay na related sa pera na masettle, mga utang, mga bills, bayarin. You want to, to make a way, or like, para gumawa ng paraan kung saan kukuha ng source ng additional income for these problems related sa pera ay masettle na. Okay, Cancer, you're doing your best. Nagsisipag naman kayo. You're doing your communication skills, or a lot of things ay talagang ginagawa mo. You're praying, you're manifesting for a lot of blessings to come in your way, especially kapag may kinalaman sa pera. Because ito talaga sa kasalukuyan ang nakikita nating nagkukos ng problem sa inyo. Okay? So, you have here, pangatlong baraha, 7 of Wands. I can see here people na parang lately ay pinag-uusapan kayo, or siguro nalaman nyo to pero chismisan kayo, or like, they are not happy with your current situation, or siguro maybe yun, inggit, or parang actually nakikita natin dito parang dito sa kasalukuyan mong sitwasyon. Look at this one. Sorry, what I'm saying is you need to be still. Kailangan mong tibayan ang iyong loob, Cancer, kasi you are guided naman ng universe. But I can see here people not happy with your current situation. At the same time, they are wishing you bad, or parang what is this? Parang masaya sila na makita ang sitwasyon mo ngayon, but don't worry. After all these struggles, Cancer, gugulatin mo naman sila with the big surprise that is waiting for you. This is just a test for you. This is just a hardship, but you can overcome this one. Malalagpasan mo ang lahat ng ito. But I can see here there are people talking behind your back. Hindi naman nila alam ang totoong istorya. Hindi naman nila alam ang totoong nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, Cancer, for your timeless reading, sabi ko sa'yo, ito talaga, papalitan yan. Don't worry, be still. So, just focus on your goal, make a way sipagan, trust the universe because here the Ace of Pentacles is waiting for you. There's a big surprise for you, Cancer. This is like, a sign of relief for you para makaginhawa ka lalong pentacle na to. This is big amount of money. Maybe in the next months or in the upcoming weeks, you are planning to make a way para makakuha ng big amount of money. For example, you're applying for a loan, you're going to sell a property, or may mga taong lalapit sa iyo para tulungan kayo or any kind of situation na parang gumaan ang katayuan niyo na may kinalaman sa pera. Okay? So, Ace of Pentacles signifies good news related to money. So, Cancer, claim nyo na yan because that is this a very positive card. So we have your Queen of Wands. Here you are. You're truly manifesting, Cancer. You're a person of wisdom. You're a person of discipline and experience. You're a person with kind heart and golden heart. Okay? You are very compassionate. Matulungin kayo. I can see here na despite sa situation nyo, Cancer, na parang nag-struggle kayo in terms of finances, but I can see her na still nasa nature mo pa rin, hindi ka pa rin tumitigil sa pagtulong, inaako mo pa rin ang mga responsibility sa paligid mo, family related, friendship, colleagues, katrabaho, okay? Ikaw pa rin ang nilalapitan, ikaw pa rin ang binibigyan, hinihinga ng advices because they saw you as like a kind of person na experienced already. It's like, parang ikaw yung magulang nila or something like that. And that is a blessing, Cancer, kasi kapag nilapitan tayo ng tao para hinga ng mga advices or whatsoever, it means that they are trusting or they have trust on you. So, Cancer, pagpatuloy ang pagkaroon ng mabuting kalooban sa kapwa. Gagantimpalaan ka ni universe in the future with beautiful life, okay, filled with blessings and, happiness and contentment. Okay? So, before Cancer, we proceed to our second row, last 5 cards natin sa yung timeless reading. I would like to tell you again na kapag naka-resonate po kayo, mag-comment po kayo. Huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-comment. Nag-reply po sa mga comments, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yan lang po ang hingin kong tulong sa inyo. Okay? So, we have here Knight of Pentacles. There's a solution coming on your way. Merong taong ipapadala sa universe para matulungan ang problema mo sa pera. You will be happy kapag nasolusyon mo na to, kapag nalagpasan mo na to. But I can say, malalagpasan mo to in the soonest time. Lahat ng problema may solusyon kasi ito uwi kang successful galing sa isang laban. So you will overcome all the obstacles that you are facing now, Cancer. Just hold on, just have faith. But I can see here, meron talagang ipapadala sa universe ng mga tao na tutulong para sa'yo. Okay, magugulat ka, madidiscover mo sila, and you will be surprised because these people have a very genuine and their heart are very pure in terms of helping others. So, don't worry, Cancer. Malapit na masolusyonan ang mga problema. Okay? So, eto na, Ace of Wands. Magkatapat siya ng, what is this? 10 of Pentacles. So, there's a new beginning for you, Cancer. You will be planting a new start, a new seed of hope and happiness. Okay, siguro, after all, malagpasan mo itong mga painful experiences, traumas, problema na pinagdadaanan mo, masolve mo lahat ng ito, and here you are, you will be starting again. Starting a life filled with hope, puno ng pag-asa, puno ng blessings because this will be a new you, marami kang matututunan, i-apply mo ito sa bagong situation, sa mga taong nakilala mo, you will be matured in terms of finances, discipline, in terms of pagkikisama, sa mga decision making. So marami kang panibagong mga gagawin mula sa what is this? Sa pagkababa mo, and now you're going to recover. Okay, this is a recovery period for you, Cancer. This Ace of Wands, so congratulations. Tutuloy-tuloy ito. Okay? So, ito talaga. There's a partnership here. I consider collaboration. Sabi ko sa inyo, may mga tao kayo makikilala, Cancer. May mga siguro kahit di nyo hihinga ng tulong, kusa na lang na magko-communicate sa inyo, mag-offer ng tulong. So, because sabi ko nga, mabuti naman kasi kayong tao. So, kahit hindi kayo humingi ng tulong, alam ng tao yan if they malaman nila, marinig nila na you are in a not good situation, kusa yan lalapit sa'yo hanggat kaya nilang maibigay na itulong sa'yo. But I can see here talaga, Cancer. Expect help from other people, partnership, collaboration na maaring makatulong para masolusyonan ang problema. At the same time, to elevate your life. Okay? Mula sa pagkawala, mula sa stagnancy, or parang matumag into a life na puro overflowing naman yung blessings and opportunities na magbubukas para sa iyo, Cancer. Okay? So, we have here judgment. So expect, Cancer, if you are waiting for a result of something application related sa government job, maraming Cancer nag-apply sa inyo, maybe promotion sa trabaho. But this is, I can see here, authority related sa government na job. This is not a private job, ha? This is a government related. So teacher, police, sundalo, whatsoever. So expect promotion. And I can see here, expect a good news about something na prinasis mo lately na may kinalaman sa career growth. So congratulations, Cancer. Magkatapat sila ng Ace of Pentacles. So it means whatever that result will give you, the increase sa sweldo, malaking pera itong involved. So you will be happy kasi at least kahit paano makakatulong ito na gumaan-gaan ang iyong buhay, Cancer. So, expect increase, expect bonus, expect incentives in the upcoming days kapag dumating na itong resulting judgment na to, which is what you are waiting for. So, congratulations in advance, Cancer. So, tapusin natin itong timeless reading mo with your 10th and last card, Cancer. So, 10 of Swords. So, this is a flashback. You can see here, this is a flashback na lang, hindi ito yung mangyayari sa'yo. Kasi nagkaroon na tayo ng resolution doon, maaga pa. So this will be what we're going to happen for you. What is this? This is a flashback. This is not what, hindi ito mangyayari sa'yo. Flashback ito. Rewind na lang ito. Ito yung pinagdaanan mo. Ito yung current situation mo. Yan naman. Ito yung sinimula natin. Ito yung katapusan. So talagang pinapakita lang nito talagang grabe yung pinagdadaan mo. Grabe talaga yung drain yung energy mo. You are down to the lowest level, Cancer. So I respect your agony. I respect kung bakit hindi ko sasabihin na madali ang lahat na bumangon. But I am telling you, step by step, slowly, little by little, Cancer, makakabangon ka. You just need to first believe in yourself. You just need to put your faith to the universe. Put your trust to the people that you valued. At the same time, be persistent with your prayers and manifestations. You will be surprised. Gigising kayo sa umaga, isang araw, tapos na lahat ng problema. And the overflow of blessings will be coming on your way. And you will be happy, contented. At the same time, you will say that everything is worth fighting for. Nilaban mong lahat talagang tamang desisyon na ginawa mo. And at the same time, talagang everything will fall into place for you. Okay? So, Cancer, I'm wishing you all the best in life. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Cancer makapanood ito ngayon kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel. At kung nagustuhan nyo po, huwag kayo mahiyang mag-comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Hanggang sa susunod po natin pagsasama, mag-ingat kayo lagi, and God bless us all.